In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard. Now tap on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you don't have it, don't worry, just hit this gear one. Select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard and tap on visible microphone. Hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Quick tip: tap on your microphone and when voice typing is on, select tiny icon right next to it. This one. Then hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available settings right away, tap on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!